In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and use some handy features on the popular shopping platform, Shein. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just getting started, these steps will help you organize and share your favorite finds with ease. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to the Shein website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the website URL or search for Shein using Google. Once the website loads up on your screen, you should see a variety of categories and products at your disposal. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and maybe even browse a few items if you're not yet sure what you're looking for. Next, let's navigate to your shopping cart. You'll usually find the cart icon towards the top right corner of the page. Click on it and it'll take you to a page listing all the items you've added during your shopping session. This is your personal collection awaiting checkout. However, what we want to do today is focus on the heart icon, which is key to organizing your wish list. Once you've identified the items in your cart that you love the most or are considering for future purchases, go ahead and click the heart icon next to each product. This action will move these items to your wish list, making them even easier to review later. Now, to make this wish list more organized and interactive, we can use the board feature. Head over to your wish list by clicking on the associated link, which is usually located near the cart and profile icons. When you're there, look for the boards option. This allows you to create a more organized space where you can categorize your wish list items. Click Create a Board and give it a suitable name that relates to the theme or purpose of the items you are curating. Maybe something like spring wardrobe or gift ideas. With your new board set up, you'll want to go back to your wish list. From there, select the product you wish to organize and opt for the Add to Board feature. You'll need to specify which board you want the product to be added to. Just select the one we've just created. Now return to your board to see all your specially chosen items neatly compiled in one place. The final touch to mastering this organization is sharing. Once you're viewing your board, you'll notice a share icon that resembles an arrow or 3 connected dots. Clicking this icon will generate a link or a set of options that enable you to easily share your curated products with friends and family across various platforms. And just like that, you're all set. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only streamlined your shopping experience on Shein, but also made it fun and social by sharing your finds. Thanks for following along and happy shopping.